Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create a simple LED circuit with 74LS04 NOT gate IC. So first, let's tackle briefly about this truth table and the pinouts. So whenever our input is 0, the output will be 1. Whenever our input is 1, the output will be 0. So 1 means the positive voltage of our power supply, and the 0 is the ground or the negative voltage of our power supply. So in this IC has 14 pins. In this pin is the VCC. We supply this with the positive voltage and to the ground. The input voltage of this IC should be around 4.5 volts to 7 volts. When you exceed in the 7 volts, this IC will heat up and it will be damaged. So you should only power this with at least 4.5 volts to a maximum of 7 volts. So let's begin creating the circuit. First, we have to use this LED and a resistor. We'll be using a breadboard. And our power supply, we'll be using this as a variable so we can change the voltage. And our NOT gate IC. And we can use this side switch as a switch between the input signals, so you can alternate between 1 and 0 input signals. Let's put it there. Okay, here it is. So first of all, you connect this to the breadboard, and then you power these rails with the positive voltage and the negative. So let's change this color into black as an indication of a negative voltage or ground. And also, let's connect this to the other rail. So both of the power rails have voltage. And then the positive voltage will be connected to the pin 14 or to the VCC to power up this IC. And also to the ground in the pin 7. So we use this to alternate between the input signals 1 and 0, the positive and the negative voltage. Connect this in here as R1 and the other one to the ground. So this is the pin in between as our output from this switch. So let's connect this to the input pin 13. This IC basically composed of 6 OR gates, so you can choose any of them. In this case, I will be using this pin 13 and pin 12. So the input signal will be connected to the pin 13. Let's mark this as orange. And of course, should we connect the LED with the resistor. Let's put a value of around 330 ohms. The cathode is connected to the negative voltage or the ground. And then the 12 is our output signal. Pin 12 connected to the resistor. Mark this as orange. So we're done. All we have to do is to run this simulation to power up this whole circuit. Let's start. So our switch is connected in this. So this is shorted. Pin 5, or this rail and this rail is shorted. So our input signal will be positive voltage or 1. So we have here input of 1 and our output will be 0. So this pin 12 is 0. And as we can see here, the LED is turned off. It is because our output is 0 connected to the LED. And let's try to make the input as 0. Our input is 0, the output will be 1. So let's see. So we can see that our LED is turned on. It's because our input is 0 and the output is 1. So our LED is turned on. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.